Hello, welcome back to our English morphology class. Today we're going to discuss about what is the definitions of morphology. With me, Pak Afif, Ikhwanul Muslimin. To understand what is morphology, we can understand from the origin of the word. The word morphology comes from Greek word which is equal to German word Formenlehre, which means the study of form. Another way to understand morphology, we can take a look on the positions among other linguistic studies. There are five main branches of linguistics. The first is phonology. Phonology is the study of structure and systematic patterning of sounds in human language. So it can be inferred at this point that issues such as how speech sounds are articulated or produced using the speech organ and kinds of phonological processes are covered in phonology because they deal with the study of sounds, the structure and systematic patterning of sounds. The second branch of linguistics is syntax. This is a study about the internal structure of sentence and the relationship among the internal parts. In syntax, there are some issues which is covered like sentence structures, structural ambiguity, phrase structural rules, and immediate constituent analysis. The third branch is semantics. This is the study about the nature of meaning of individual word and the meaning of words grouped into phrases and sentences. In semantic, there are some issues like conceptual versus associative meaning, semantic feature analysis, and lexical relationship. The fourth branch of linguistics is pragmatics. It studies about the use of words and phrases and sentences in actual context of discourse. The issues which is discussed there is like speech acts, tactic expressions, kinds of context and presuppositions, and anything else which are covered because they deal with study of words, phrase and sentences in actual context of discourse. So, what is then morphology? There are some expert ideas about the definitions of morphology. The first is Goodby et al. 1982, who mentions that morphology is study of way in which words are constructed out of smaller meaningful unit. The second one is Nida 1957, who says that this is a study of morphemes and their arrangements in forming words. And the third one is Akmajan et al. 1984, who mentions that morphology is study of internal structure of words and the interrelationship among words. And the last one is Matthew 1974, who says that it is about concerning with the forms of words in different uses and constructions. Based on those ideas and also the different positions in linguistics, so we can understand that morphology is concerned with the form of words or how words are constructed or arranged out of smaller meaningful units called morphemes. So it means that morpheme is something small which are combined or constructed together or arranged together to develop words. So here we have understand what is the definitions of morphology based on some experts' ideas and also based on some understanding on its positions in linguistics. So the next discussions will be about what is word and what is morpheme. So keep learning morphology. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.